Hey everybody,
Hello.
Jake and Brenda, our sweet adventures. Today we're going to be making
cabbage and ground beef.
Yeah, all little recipe, I guess, huh?
Yeah, just throwing some stuff together, I guess you'd say.
Yeah, so
Gonna try it out.
we'll get at it.
All right, we're gonna get started. Well, we've already got our hamburger started. It's almost done.
How much?
Well, about a pound and a half. So there's that, but that won't be long. And then we have Hunt's diced basil, garlic, and oregano, garlic, paprika, and this is a different, it's an all-purpose seasoning, cayenne pepper, the basil that has all the other stuff as well. Just about 1/3 cup of beef broth. And I got the onion here that I'm going to chop up, about a cup of that. And then a very small head of cabbage. So I'm going to go ahead and get this chopped up while we're waiting for the hamburger. You know, you see, oh, this is working out good. Watch them fingers, right?
And we've got enough meat in there already.
Right?
Yeah, you see people chopping away as they say, you know.
And they're going real fast. Go ahead.
But we are not going to do that.
No,
because we can't.
And I value my fingers
So,
as well.
Yeah.
All right, so now got that. I'm just going to chop it up a little bit more. Don't want big chunks. A little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to throw that right into the hamburger. That cooked up a little bit. All right. Now the cabbage. You know, I don't think I've ever made anything with cabbage.
We hardly ever eat cabbage.
It's only like in coleslaw, you know, if it's already made. I don't really make coleslaw or that either. So, and see, I know it has like a, what they call a heart. So I think we want to cut that out of there.
Yeah.
If we can. And then, oh, maybe I'll just do it this way. See how this goes. Kind of the same thing with sometimes I wish we had a better angle at it so you could see it better, but the way our kitchen's set up, it's really not feasible, so. All right. You definitely need a sharp knife for this kind of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I'd say that's probably about it. That's the heart of it. All right.
Yep.
We're going to go ahead and finish chopping this up, and then we'll come back. Okay. I want to let you know, we only did half of that head of cabbage. There's only 2 of us, so
That's a lot of cabbage.
it's a lot of cabbage. And I am going to go ahead, then we've got a bigger pan because after looking at it, it's like, we need to beef that up. So I'm going to do some garlic here. And a little bit. And then we're going to put the diced hunts in there. A little of the paprika. Oh, this is a new one.
Oh, it's going to have the paper on it.
Yeah, but that's okay. Well, maybe. Okay.
Sure, it comes right off.
It comes right off there. I'm going to go ahead and put the cabbage in there so that it can start cooking. there. And then it'll give us an idea of we need to add anything. Like I said, I didn't know. This is a new recipe here. I didn't know what to throw together except for these ingredients and how it was going to all come together. So I know we'll need a little more liquid probably,
Yep.
which that will help with the beef broth.
Yep.
But we got to get that cabbage cooking. Could have put it in with a hamburger, but you know you want to drain your hamburger, so I didn't want to do that. I'm going to do the adobo all-purpose seasoning. I think that's about it. That's the end. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, sure. It's playing games with me, aren't you? Okay.
Yeah.
They really have them sealed tight, I'll tell you that. Well, and I'm just going to do a little of this. I mean, this is paprika. It's not really spicy or anything. I'm going to say probably about maybe a teaspoon of that. I'm going to go ahead and put that 1/3 cup of beef broth in. If anything, if we need more liquid, I'll be putting in some more beef broth.
We probably do.
A little cayenne. And here's one that we use all
On
the
everything?
time. Yep. There again, I don't really measure, so it's, you know, I'm going to say that's probably a good tablespoon, half tablespoon, something like that. So let's go ahead and stir this all up. I think we'll go ahead and put the lid on this and help get that cabbage cooked down. I mean, it smells good. Oh, you know what though? One last thing before I do that. Here, I'll take I will put some salt.
Always got to have Himalayan salt.
Pink Himalayan salt's the best. A little bit of pepper. And let's stir that back up. Infuse those flavors. All right. We'll let that kind of cook down for maybe 5 minutes or so and check back with you. All right, we are finally done. We simmered it for about 20 minutes and it got the cabbage so that it's, oh, he's showing me. I won't stir.
Go ahead.
So that the cabbage was, you know, I'm not, what's the word I'm looking for?
Done.
Okay, let's go with that.
All right.
You know, wasn't crunchy. That's
Yeah.
what I was trying to say.
Right.
So,
Okay.
what we're going to do now is we're going to get a plate and do the taste test.
Taste test. All right. Okay. Ready for the taste test here. So
Yes.
here we
Okay,
go.
blow on it because it's hot.
There it is. All right. That's different. Not bad though.
It is different.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good, but
That's why we do these different ones.
just to
Try some different things.
Yeah, you
Different
know.
combinations. I'm not a big cabbage fan, but that's not bad in there.
No, because it doesn't taste like cabbage.
Yeah. Yeah.
If that makes any sense to anybody, but
Okay, so we normally rate these 1 to 5, rate them. I'm gonna go 3.5 on it, I guess.
and I'm going to give it the same.
Yeah.
Will
not
I
bad.
make it again? Maybe.
Yeah, it's
Actually-
pretty simple and easy, so probably
You know,
quick meal,
who isn't looking for simple, easy recipes?
quick. Yep.
You know, and if you're really a cabbage fan, you know, actually it's healthy. You know, cabbage
Yeah.
is good for you.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of beef broth in there and
Yep.
some spices, diced
Yeah.
tomatoes, or and so to me it would be very low calorie.
Yeah.
You know, and good for you.
Tasty. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you do try the recipe, or
Yeah. Let us know if you try them in the comments.
leave us a comment. Yes.
Where you're
Yeah.
watching from.
Also, yes.
Appreciate a like and subscribe. That'd be great.
Yeah.
So, for this one, I guess that's about it. So, until next time.
Bye.
See ya.